How to fix AMD error 128 something went wrong. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix AMD something went wrong error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step is open up your device manager. So you can head over to the search bar and type in device manager and hit enter. After you open device manager, what you'll then need to do is here you will need to locate your display adapters. So here you can see display adapters. You can expand on that and there you'll find your AMD Radeon graphics. So what you'll have to do is you can double press on it and your properties will open up for your AMD driver. You can head over to the drivers tab right here. Then right here you can see different options. So sometimes what happens is in your version of your driver there can be some issues. So to fix that, all you have to do is either update your driver, press on update driver, browse through your computer, you can tap on next here, and after you find your drivers you can then update it, and after you update it check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there, we can always just come back here and you can see rollback driver, which will take you to the previous version of your driver. So just press on rollback driver. Sometimes it can be grayed out, so updating might be the only option. But if this is available, you can always go back to the version of the driver which was working fine. So you can roll back and then just use that driver until a new update comes. And if that does, you can update your driver again. And doing that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.